Hello children, I am Meenakshi from Kendriya Vidyalaya Kailashar and our today's topic is teamwork, which is the poem from class 5th. So, shall we start? Before start the poem, I want to ask you one thing. Do you like to play and work alone or in a team? I know nobody likes to play alone because the feeling of joy we can't imagine if we play alone. So, our today's topic is teamwork, and in this poem, we will get to know how teamwork is important in our daily life. So, this is our first stanza. First, we will recite this poem, then, we will understand the meaning of the whole poem. Teamwork, teamwork. Together, we can make our dream work. Then, we will share the joy of what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. In this stanza, the poet wants to tell us about teamwork. You must be thinking what is the meaning of teamwork. So, teamwork means people who work in a team is called teamwork. In this stanza, the poet wants to tell us that every work is possible or every work can be become very easy if we help and support each other. Every dream would be possible. Every dream can be achieved if we do together with each other and if we help each other. After helping each other, the sense of joy or happiness is really makes us jubilant. And if we share good vibes with each other, if we help each other, we can achieve our aim. Teamwork is for everyone. In the next stanza, it's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. In this stanza, the poet wants to tell us that we can't play basketball alone. It's really enjoyable thing to shoot the basketball through the hoop. The hoop means a large metal or plastic ring which is in the court. How can we play alone if nobody passes the basketball to us to throw into the hoop? It is not possible if we are playing as a team. We must help each other. We must pass the things to each other if we are playing any game. And in the next two lines, the poet is describing about the relay race. First, I want to tell you what is relay race. A relay race, it is the game in which we have to pass the wand or baton to the next contestant or the next participant. And the relay race can't be enjoyable or can't be continued if a participant will not pass the baton or a wand to the next contestant. So, teamwork is very important in every game. Even teamwork is very important in our daily life. So, in the next is we are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when a you or me becomes an us. In this stanza, the poet wants to tell us that we are small, small parts, and together we can make us as whole. If we keep our eyes on a same or common goal or aim, sometimes it can be a big plus or big advantage or profit for us. When alone I and alone you, we can become us with each other. We can help each other. And before summarizing this poem, I want to tell you one thing. I have heard a saying somewhere that talent wins game. but teamwork wins championship. So in this poem, we got to know that teamwork is very important in our daily life and we should share our things. We should help each other because after helping each other, the sense of enjoyment and jubilant we feel that can't be described in words. And after summarizing this poem, I want to end this video here and thanks for your help. Thank you.